Have you ever had a DVI done on your vehicle? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, you may have watched our last video which talked about an oil change as a spill and fill or as a quality oil change. So on a quality oil change, in our shop, we always do what's called a DVI or digital vehicle inspection. Many professionals are using them at this point. They're fantastic. And we do it with a tablet. And there's a checklist on here that my partner and I have created that's a good thorough inspection of your car. And the technician will go through every item on that checklist and he will mark it red, yellow, or green, depending on the condition of that item. He will also take applicable pictures to show you good stuff and stuff that might have a problem on your car. You then receive a text, and in that text you have all the information I just discussed. All of the checklists, all the red, yellow, greens, all the pictures. It gives you the opportunity to talk to friends and family, get good counsel, do a little shopping around, and be an educated consumer. So this is really a fantastic tool. And if you want to know more about some of the oil change or services that Mercie J does that include these DVIs, we have a couple of offers going on. One is called a lifetime package, and the other is a special offer based on our videos. So make sure you look for those videos and find out what you can do to save yourself a little bit of money as well as get the quality of a DVI. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels to you and blessings.